You either had to pay somebody thousands of dollars or be in the Hollywood film industry yourself. Magnific built it all. The flow, the fire, the smoke, all the effects. All we have to do is drop in our image, pick the effect, end our camera movement, hit generate, and then boom, there it is. Okay, so here we are in Magnific. I'm already on the main page right here. It's called VFX Studio. You can see over in the top left-hand corner, it is an actual flow that is already pre-populated. I'll also include a link in the description to access this flow directly. That way you can get access to it very easily.
Check the link in the description. It's so fire.
Now, it really is this simple. On the left-hand side, this is where all the magic is going to happen. So you can see right here, it actually says VFX right here. All we have to do is simply upload an image. And then right down below, we have VFX our target. If I hover over this little I button, it says describe the desired target for the VFX effect. So watch how cool this is. The first thing we have to do, let's bring in an image we want to add an effect to. I'm going to go ahead and select one of my prior generations. How about this one right here? Now down here below, we also have some other options. Right here, it says pick our VFX effect. Right now, it's on smoke, volumetric, billowing plumes. But look at all of these other options we have. A pretty good selection. Let's, for the meantime, select explosion right here. And then down below here, we even have a camera effect. What type of corresponding effect do you want to happen simultaneously with your VFX explosion? And we have all of these other camera movements that we could select. One of my favorites is bullet time. Maybe we'll do that one next, but for now, let's go with the handheld shaky style. Okay, 16:9, sound effects on. And for this one, we'll go with the 1080, but it can go all the way up to 4K. Now, again, if I do add 4K, it does get pretty costly, but let me tell you something, the quality is definitely worth it. And when it comes to the VFX target, it really is this simple. I can just put something like this. Look, effect in the background behind the scene. Okay, now let's select another image. Let's head over here to my prompt portal. Specifically, we're going to be up in the cinematic section, okay? Now, you can get access to this prompts portal via the link in the description.
Okay, if you make AI images, you need Prompts Portal. It's literally the best prompt database I've seen. Thousands of categories, cheat codes, meta tokens, and it updates non-stop. Lifetime access. I'm obsessed.
So let's try something like this image right here. Okay, I'll download a few different images because I really want to show you how unique we can get. And then we'll also download this as well. Okay, now back over here into Magnific. Let's upload a new image. This time I'll bring in that upload I just downloaded. Okay, I'm gonna drop that image right there. There it is. We'll select add. Now with that image selected, let's now change up our VFX target. So we're gonna say effect on the person standing up. And for this one, let's change the VFX. Let's go to no gravity. That should be interesting. And now with no gravity selected, generate this one. We'll go with another one, upload one more image. We're gonna go with that other one that I showed you, that UFO hovering over this figure. For this one, we're gonna select the dimensional portal reality warping vortex. All right, that's interesting. Now let's say effect on the UFO hovering in the sky. Okay, now unfortunately, you can see our first one got blocked by the provider. That is actually on me because as you can tell, I did probably upload 2 trademarked characters in that one image. So I forgot this does use Seedance. So you specifically do have to be careful with using Seedance. Let's try it with a completely different image again, okay? We're gonna say effect in the background behind the window. Let's see if that can actually understand exactly what I mean. Again, we'll go back with the explosion one. Let's stick with handheld shaky and generate this one now.
That scared the heck out of me, Eric.
Okay, now with a new image selected, let's go ahead with the VFX. Let's choose no gravity. And for the camera effect, we're gonna go with the bullet time, frozen action camera orbits. The effect, the 2 aliens standing up. So we have no gravity and bullet time for our camera effect. All right, now we'll generate this one. It does look like another video is done. Let's open this one up and see how this turned out. Check this out. That is pretty cool. That is very cool. Look at that. That turned out really well.
Now we can add a voice to it. Watch this.
Hey, why am I floating? What's happening? Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Oh my gosh!
Let's go back to the two aliens standing up again, and this time change it up from no gravity to a mass disintegration, matter dissolving. Camera effect this time, we'll change it up. We'll go with a 360 smooth continuous shot, and now generate that one. Wow, incredible. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And remember, check the links in the description to get an additional large discount with Magnific when you do sign up. And if you like this video, please remember to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time.
Chrome on the dash, got a cold blue shine. Your goodbye sits heavy on the passenger side. I learned quick how to swallow the smoke, how to wear a bruise like a silk coat when the world gets loud.
We're not in Texas anymore, Eric.